Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Anjali. I'm an Azure Data Engineer with 2.5 years of experience. On this channel, I'll be sharing my learnings and projects in the field of data engineering. I hope you find my videos informative. Let's get started. Today, we'll dive into a data engineering project focused on a very interesting topic, which is Indian stock market. Many of us rely on different apps on a daily basis to track stock trends. So we have attempted to replicate a similar visualization using Power BI. In this video, we'll first quickly discuss about the workflow and then we'll look into the Power BI visualization. So let's begin. Now here is the workflow of the whole project. Let's dive into each section quickly. The dataset here is taken from Kaggle. Kaggle is a very popular platform where you can find different datasets and work on different projects. I have moved the downloaded datasets in my GitHub account. Then we have used Azure Data Factory copy activity to move our raw files to Azure Data Lake. Then comes the transformation part of the project where we have used Azure Data Factory and Azure Databricks. Here we have added some new columns, some new attributes, renamed some existing columns, and done some overall data cleaning. Once we got the desired transformed data, then we moved it to another folder in Azure Data Lake. We will then link the Azure Data Lake folder with the transformed dataset to our Power BI to create the visualization. Let's look into the visualization now. Now this is the Power BI dashboard with the visuals showing different attributes, trends, charts and filters. I have also linked my GitHub account with the codes in this dashboard. Do let me know your thoughts on the dashboard and the whole project. Thank you.